Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So we did get a continuation. It started off a bit slow, but we got the continuation. We're above the 155 EMA on the 8-hour, and that is our indicator that indicates a trend or sort of a trend reversal. When we get the moving average crossovers and price testing that, then we sort of look at the opposite direction of what we were moving in. So we've been in this long downtrend pretty much all year. I think clearer pictures on the weekly, you can see all year we've been trending down, and now we've got a little bit of a messy setup here, and we are starting to break through the trend line. So for me right now, if you look at the hour, we do have a potential trend reversal. Now, as I said yesterday, you're looking for pullback onto structure, and from that structure you're looking to buy. We didn't really get anything yesterday. This one was missed. That was the previous one there. So I'd leave that one in. It's still applicable, but that is my new line in the sand at the moment, and there's just one more over there. And that was tested yesterday with the pin bar late in the session. So what you're looking for is one dead, basically. We've broken above it. We're looking for a retest, and if that can hold, then you're looking for a continuation. Possibility for it to drop down below into 099683 or alternately 099549. Don't expect us just to fly through this area of 1, because we did spend quite some time here this year gathering ourselves to break to the upside. So you can see here's a triangle at the level. We're on the 15-minute now. You see a triangle break. So a retest of this area here that's successful should give you a measured move of 762. So 762 points. So let's just say there, 750. So that's 100758 would be your upside target. So yeah, I think go with the trend, wait for the pullback, wait for support, buy into it, and you're looking for the next measured move. And you saw what I measured as a measured move. That's my triangle there. That's my move up, my consolidation, and I need a move equal to this leg here, to the upside. Right, moving on to US dollar, Japanese yen. What we are seeing here is a complete confusion, which is very similar to what we're seeing on Euro USD, but this one is just, it's been a much stronger uptrend, so it is going to battle to start breaking to the downside. So we are ranging right now for all intents and purposes. I think between the $2 pairs, I'd rather play Euro USD than this one. And well, we did get some structure, so let's run through them quickly. That wasn't the area we're looking for, but it was one of the areas, and you can see there it is there, 147556. And if you just drop down to the 15 minutes on that, you will see there's a pin bar. Didn't really happen, and then there's my confirmation bar. So technically what you can do is your entry is below the pin bar, because that's the pin bar structure. So my entry is just over here, my stop is just up there. Okay, so that would have been 160 point stop loss, and you can see how we did fall to close the gap, as we said yesterday, 780 points to the downside. So for me, I think what you need to be doing now is to start aligning your levels. Just want to get this one there. So here's my zone. It is between 147159 and 147047. I need price back in this area, and then I want a rejection here, similar to what we saw yesterday. You can do it on the 15-minute and for a continuation down. What may also happen, though, by the looks of things, just looking at the oscillators, is that is our current flag. And it extends from there. That's our current flag. So what you could also be looking for is a break below the current low of today for a continuation down equal to the height of the flag. So a very similar setup to what you're seeing on Euro USD. And that would be a 1,500 point move to the downside from this area here. Okay, so pay very close attention to this. Just want to see if there's some structure lower down. Oh, there is. Well, that's your first level, which would be 145,900, and then you're probably looking at something like that as your next target, which is 145,341. Moving on to the British pound and British pound Japanese yen. Said to you yesterday we've got a trendline break here, so or potential trendline break because we were doing the video. We've got the trendline break. It went through the levels, and you can see there's one level, there's a second level. So targets to the upside have been done, and didn't really give you an entry though because it was just sideways, and all of a sudden a big, massive bar. And just going to fine tune my levels. So what we're looking for is a retest of this area. So I'm looking for a retest of 168,245. If I can get pin bars, inside bars, engulfing bars here, that's a confirmation of a trend reversal on the 1 hour. And then I'm looking for a move to the upside. And your target area is going to be, you just put these levels in. So every single tail on the inside here of price is going to be your target area. So that's what you need to be paying attention to. So bit of a rejection here, pull back down to here, 168,319, buy into that. Then you're looking to target this zone, you're looking to target 169,400. You get through that, you've also got a bit of a gap to the upside, which will probably be the actual magnet we're looking for, which is 170,100. Moving on to Euro British pound, and still very much sideways. We did break above we did break above the moving averages here. We've got a grouping of the oscillators again. Bit skeptical of this. We'll have to see what happens on these levels. But now this is just a case of big up, big down. I was expecting us to try and find some support in some of the structure here. That failed dismally. As you can see, Friday was big up, Monday was big down. So I'm kind of sit on hands here. We're not getting support at this level. So this is the next level we need to pay attention to. And then there's a little Brooks gap a little bit further down there. So you're looking for 0.86792 and 0.86700. But that's again below the moving averages. So this one I think I'm sit on hands. If we do get down to here, see what happens. I'd prefer to see us find support above here at 0.87. Get above 0.87, find support here. That would rather be the opportunity for me than look for a trade with 180 point stop loss for a retest here, 400 point move. So you're looking for a retest of that swing low there. That's kind of my only view that I have here today. Euro British pound, I think we'll sit on the hands, but the other three are looking pretty interesting. I think Euro USD and then the Japanese yen pairs were also looking fairly interesting. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.